exciting.
Yeah, what else happened?
Well, it went pretty much like this.
If you were on a Christmas day,